Go into New and start a blank project. Once we open the blank project, we will see a Gantt chart view. In the Gantt chart view, we will then see a table part on the left. On the right, we have a graphical part. On top of that, we have a ribbon with tool tabs. And below that, we have a timeline to give a general overview of the project. Go to Project Information. You will then be able to set the start and end date of your new project. For example, we're going to be starting Monday, the 19th of November 2018, and the end date would be Monday, November 26th, 2018. Breaking down the work structure, go to Project and under Properties, select WBS and define in. Add a product code, prefix, or name of the project. For each level, define a sequence, choose a length and a separator, and then click OK. WBS is used here to identify in a unique manner to manage certain tasks. We will input a new column and select WBS, and it will show the numbering of the different phases.
We will now set a time and duration for the task by adding dates to the durations. As you add the durations, you will notice on the diagram to the right will show bars depicting the duration of your task. Yeah. That's it.
After all the task has been added, you can select which ones are dependent on each other. To do that, you will highlight the task dependent on the task above, and then on the tab above, you would tap Indent. This will now show a hierarchical relationship of our project.
To add people to the project, we will go to the File tab and under View, select Resource Sheet.
After all the task has been added, you can select which ones are dependent on each other. To do that, you will highlight the task dependent on the task above, and then on the tab above, you would tap Indent. This will now show a hierarchical relationship of our project.
To add people to the project, we will go to the File tab and under View, select Resource Sheet. Under Resource, name out the names of the people that will be working on the project and start standard pay rate. Once the resources have been added, go to the File, View, and back to the Gantt chart to assign resources to the task. A new column, Cost, and the project will calculate the resources and duration of the task. have the cost of the project defined and a time plan to see what will happen. Under Report tab in View Dashboard, you can view dynamic reporting based on your project data, such as cost overview,
and one needs to start before another one is finished. Highlight those tasks in the Task tab, and in the Scheduling group, go ahead and highlight the linked selected task. This will show us arrows linking the task on the right side. To fine-tune and correct the automatic assumptions of the program, we must change the predecessor's order to make the project sequential. You can also set the completion of task by going into the bars on the right side. Once you see the percents, go ahead and click and you can drag the completion status. And that was Microsoft Project by Help Desk 1. Thank you for watching and come back again.